Welcome back. If you're new here, I create images in Microsoft Office applications such as Word and Excel. I use the Office shapes and the shape effects to create all kinds of amazing images. In this video, we're going to create a bike that you can find in every major downtown. It's called just the frame. So for this particular frame, it consists of 3 pieces, and I'm just going to take this apart just so you can see those pieces. So shape format, group, ungroup. Okay. If you go into insert, shapes, you can see this shape. And that's what I used for these 2 parts. And what I did is I set the bevel on each piece. And I'm going to go shape effects, bevel, take it off. This is just a circle. And if you look at the line, it's got a width of 7.5. So that's all I did. And that's just the bracket shell. And the interior, the fill, is just black. I just made that like a lighter black. But that's all it is. It's just a circle. We're gonna take off the special effect from here. Just grab all 3 pieces and select them, and then shape effects, bevel, no bevel. The other thing that was added to them, they were rotated. That's how they would be normally. And the contour, take out the contour, the depth, which now doesn't work if you get rid of the rotation. If you go like that, and then all 3 pieces, like I said. Let me select them again. Shape outline. Change the weight to what they used to be. They're just these shapes. And of course that one had the fill, so you can shape fill, take out the fill. So those are the 3 pieces for the frame. That's all you need to do. Connect them that way. Take this piece, the bracket, shell, goes there, and then you form your frame, and then you add the effects. A couple of other things I want to mention. To get to the shapes format, you just click on a shape, go to shape format, and then down here there's a little arrow in a box, and that'll open up the format shape, and then go to the middle icon, and then you can change your different the contour and the depth to what you want, and also the rotation. You can also increase the line thickness here. Here you have 0.25. This thing goes higher than the 6 points up here. Here you can only go up to 6 points. If you need more, you have to go into the format shape and then change it here. You can change it to what you want, and see, it'll thicken it up. The other thing I'll mention is you're not going to find these shapes in the insert shape section. You have to make them. You have to edit them. So what you do is you go to shapes, you grab this shape, you can turn it around this way. You take out the fill, you can change the color here. Let's just say it's that. And then what you do is you go right click on your mouse on the shape and then edit points. And then you can bring it in how you want it. And you can add points here if you need to add a point to make it a little curved or whatever. Doesn't matter. You can do anything. So I just wanted to mention that. Thanks for watching.